Japanese experts advise the following measures.
Subscribe, like, comment, favorite.
Imagine finding creativity in the most unusual times. These moments inspire the most imaginative ideas, breaking the boundaries of conventional thinking. Life's strangest times often spark the most innovative thoughts. They push us to think differently and explore new possibilities. From unexpected challenges to surprising opportunities, these unique periods fuel our creative spirit, making us see the world with fresh eyes. In the midst of chaos, creativity thrives. It's in these unusual times that our minds come alive with ideas that are out of this world. Who knew that the strangest moments could be the breeding ground for the most amazing inventions and artistic expressions? There's a certain magic in the odd and unusual. They bring out the hidden artist in us, making us create wonders we never imagined. When the world turns upside down, creativity takes the lead. It shows us that even in the weirdest times, beauty and innovation can flourish. Embrace the strange, for it is the mother of creativity. These times teach us to think outside the box and dream beyond the ordinary. In these peculiar moments, our minds are free to wander, leading to groundbreaking ideas and extraordinary solutions. The strangest times invite us to dance with creativity, to paint our lives with the colors of imagination and innovation. Let's celebrate the creativity born from the most unusual times. It's proof that even in chaos, there's room for beauty and brilliance. Remember, it's in the strangest times that the seeds of creativity are sown, leading to a future filled with limitless possibilities.